Alright guys, today we're talking about brushless on a budget, right?
Yeah.
Why is it on a budget, Eric?
It's $200 for that. You get a 5-amp-hour battery, 3-amp-hour battery. You get a hammer drill and an impact, plus the bag and plus the charger for $200.
From Metabo HPT.
Yeah.
What's
can't beat
HPT
it,
stand for?
High Performance Tools.
Hitachi
or
Power
what
Tools.
else for you? Yep.
Or Happy People Tools.
Happy People Tools.
Happy People Tools. Look at this, you guys. You get a metal chuck. You get the clutch features. What do we have on here?
Same thing.
Same thing. What's these two lights down here for?
Battery.
Battery, okay.
Yep.
Wow. Okay, so on a budget,
small head
brushless.
is.
I know, that is a small head. And it's powerful. Run that bad boy in.
Yeah.
Can you take it all the way down? Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, Eric!
True.
Everybody likes Eric's mustache, you guys.
Except me.
Woo!
Yeah.
We're keeping it.
I am.
You're keeping it. Let's drill some holes.
1.5.
1.5. 1.5 spade bit. Let's see what she does.
Do low.
I got you. You know what?
You want to do 2?
Well, we're gonna do 2, but. So that's what brushless is going to get you guys, that power to go through that. But hey, why don't you run from the top down?
You can do that too.
Put it on 2. Let's see if she'll do it on 2. Usually, I don't think
here, I'm going to put it on the ground because otherwise it's like that. If it jams, I don't
you're going to hit you in the head. Honestly, dude, not many drills make it on 2 with that big a bit. I'm just being honest with you, Eric. I don't want to lie to you. Nope. It's just too fast. What? Holy cow!
Yeah.
That was crazy. All right, you guys, let's start this show. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, I am blessed with Eric. This is the new Eric.
Thank you.
I don't know if it's Enrique anymore. I don't know. He's got his... Who has a mustache like that? But we're getting a lot of comments, so...
Are you really?
Keep it up. Keep it up. People are commenting.
Yeah.
You guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about brushless on a budget, right?
Right.
What is brushless, Eric? Why do I need brushless?
Should we go over the whole copper thing again?
Yeah, it's copperless.
Yeah.
Why do I need brushless, Eric? What's it going to do for me?
Well, you don't need brushless. You still do brush, but brushless you have less maintenance. You got a longevity of it. You got more efficiency, which means longer run time for the battery. So there's a lot of pros to brushless.
Okay, yeah, the only thing I don't like about this kit is it doesn't come with extra brushes.
I wish it did. Unfortunately, that's just one of the cons.
That was a joke. That was a joke. Calm down, everybody, before you start freaking out, Mr. Tool over there.
Mr. Tool.
Well, no, you know how you always
I know. You always get the...
Like Instagram. I don't know if you guys know on Instagram, but Instagram's changed so much. It used to be like just a fun platform to just throw stuff on. Like, we don't really care about our Instagram. We just throw funny stuff up there. Mostly reposted stuff, whatever. You know, it's just a fun thing, right?
Fun,
it's
man.
just, hey, dude, it's a little channel. It's fun. But you get these guys that come in there like, you know, I'm the world's biggest TikTok carpenter, the best TikTok carpenter, this or that, you know? And it's like they just start schooling you. And it's like, dude, do you understand, I mean, how you look out there to everybody? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we don't take things too seriously around here. And we're not knocking anybody on Instagram because, you know, there's some great people.
To each his own, man. Do what you want to do on there, but, you know.
Yeah, and we're not knocking, like I said, not knocking anybody that was not directed toward anybody. It's mostly new guys that come on Instagram. They just get so cocky,
To Mr. Tool.
Mr. Tool. I don't think there is a Mr. Tool.
There should be, because he should be friends with Mr. Plow.
Yeah, watch. Now one of the audience people are going to be like, okay, dude, start Mr. Tool them on. Boom, in a week you'll be getting more subscribers than us. So.
Yeah, exactly. And then they'll complain at us, like, you knocked Mr. Tool, you knocked me.
Yeah,
you know
yeah,
I mean?
we don't knock anybody, dude. I love everybody in the tool world. Well, except for like 2 or 3 people. But I think you guys all know who that is. You guys, so let's talk about Metabo HPT, right?
Let's do it. What's
HPT? What is that?
High Performance Tool, Hitachi Power Tools, or...
Happy People Tools.
Happy People Tools.
Oh, I need some Diet Coke.
You know?
Yes. You guys, this kit, first thing about this kit is we showed it to the guys next door and we just asked people, what do you think this kit's going to cost? Jose said $389, right?
When I originally thought it was $349.
Manny said $300.
Okay.
Right? And I'm like, yeah, you know what? These are quality, high-end brushless tools, right?
And that's a hammer drill, too.
Yeah.
So
We're going to blow you away. This is $199. $199. I believe Lowe's.
I saw that on Amazon.
But Lowe's has it.
Yeah, they carry them.
Lowe's and Acme.
Yeah, Acme too.
So I'm not sure the prices on Acme or Lowe's, but we did verify on Amazon that it was $199.
So $199, you get a hammer drill, you get the impact, you get a 5 amp hour battery, 3 amp hour battery, the charger, and a cool camo bag that you like.
Alright guys, so what we have is their 18 volt platform. This kit comes with 2 batteries. What size is it?
You get a 5 amp hour and a 3 amp hour battery. So like I don't know if you caught this or not, but you get all that plus the hammer drill, the camo bag you like for $199.
Right, which is crazy money, you guys. Crazy money. I mean, that's just dirt cheap.
A lot of hammer drills by themselves almost cost $200.
Right. Batteries cost $100.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, granted, these don't have the crazy driver features you're going to see on higher end tools, like
like this doesn't have the speed control on
it's got a variable speed trigger. That's your speed control. The hammer drill, the battery fuel status gauge is on the tools, but you do get some quality components like a metal chuck on this hammer drill. And is this a? Oh, I thought it said Jacob's chuck. It's a Werda. You ever heard of that? Werda? Is that Werda or Wenda? Never heard of that. But either or.
Sucks getting old and not having vision.
Oh my god. Dude, it's basically a metal chuck.
It looks like Wenda.
Yeah.
Wow, it's hard to read.
It's a nice chuck, man. I mean, it's like one click and it's tight. Rubber overload feels good in the hand. We tested it. We put it through some material, and dude, 1.5 inch spade bit. This thing whips through there, man. Like
even on second
crazily.
Speed.
Yeah, even on second speed, which most tools just automatically shut off, won't get you through there. Obviously, with the spade, it's all up to the bit, to let the bit pull you through. But you guys, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that this is the best budget brushless kit that I have seen for the money and performance versus the money.
No, because I think even if you start going at a homeowner brand with a kit like this, you're going to be paying close to $200.
Yeah, Ryobi.
That's what I'm saying. And this being a professional, Metabo being for the professional, that's a heck of a deal.
Right. Metabo HPT, Eric.
Well, yeah, Metabo HPT. Happy People Tool.
Happy People Tools. You guys, what do you guys think? Comment below. I mean, yeah, this used to be the previous Hitachi. It was all Hitachi. And dude, did you ever really hear someone complain about Hitachi? The only things I ever heard about Hitachi was, dude, they make great nailers.
Great nailers and great compressors.
Yeah.
And that's all.
And we also have their new tank compressor, which we're going to review next week.
And this thing's cool. Wait until you guys see this. This is an awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But honestly, you can't go wrong with Metabo. You get into this battery platform. They have all kinds of cool stuff. I know I got the little nibbler. That little metal nibbler is cool.
Yep.
They're definitely designed for the pros, right?
Oh yeah.
They're not a homeowner tool whatsoever. But if you are a homeowner and you're looking for a quality tool, I would look into this. Our buddy Sean over at the Jeep.
Yeah.
He just texted me last night. He's like, dude, what kit would you recommend? I just want something kind of budgety but powerful. And I actually told him DeWalt, right? Until today.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna text him and be like, hey, dude, this is what you need to get right here.
I know for $200, like you said, a battery itself could cost $100.
Right.
I mean, that's a heck of a deal.
Right. What's the warranty on Metabo? Do you know?
That's a good question.
We'll put that at the bottom because I don't know either off the top of my head.
If you want to check that red sheet right over there.
A sheet? What? We got a sheet that we can read off of?
We got a sheet.
All right, you guys. I'm not seeing the warranty on it, Eric.
Indicator download. Bell hook. Covered by Metabo's HPT's lifetime lithium ion. That's the battery. 2-year battery warranty and 1-year charger warranty.
Well, what was lifetime? You just said lifetime.
Yeah, body warranty. Okay, so yeah, covered by Metabo HPT's lifetime lithium ion tool body warranty.
Wait, so this tool, the body is covered for lifetime?
That's what it's saying. Yeah, and I don't see any asterisks or anything like that.
You guys, comment below and let us know about that. I mean, we could look it up, but that's what this whole channel is about.
But why?
No, but that's what this channel's about. Get the conversation going. Let's go. I want to hear you guys. I just don't want to be two schmucks here just talking, babbling. Hey, we're salespeople. Hey, this is Metabo. Hey, this has this X amount of warranty. This is that. Buy. Real spinny thing going. Woo! What's that spinny thing that makes you go all crazy? Hypnotize.
I don't know, but that'd be a great thing to put in the background.
Yeah, but dude, one day I swear you guys are gonna come to Tools in Action. It's just gonna be a spinny thing, and you're just gonna sit there and it's gonna say, "Bye, Metabo HPT.
Yep.
Bye, Milwaukee. Bye." You guys, real fast, since we do have some stats in front of us, the hammer drill is 2,700 beats per minute, 620 inch-pounds of torque, 7 1/4 inch length. 22 clutch settings plus 2, which would be the hammer, the drill and the hammer. And on the impact, we have 3,100 RPM, 3,400 BPM. And it's 5 and 1/32 long, which is pretty short. You can get it in tighter areas. Obviously, I've seen tighter, but smaller areas. But 3.7 pounds on the drill and 2.9 pounds on that, I believe, with a compact battery. Wow. 3 pounds with a compact battery. And that's the thing about this kit, you guys. You're kind of getting the best of both worlds. So if you're sitting there like, oh man, I want 2 massive 5 amp hour batteries, I'm getting robbed. No, you're not. Because the compact is going to get you into that tight area. You don't want this, you know, huge 5 amp hour battery when you're working above your head all day, because it's heavy, it's weight. And granted, you guys, yeah, you might be the tough guy out there, but 1 or 2 extra pounds above your head all day, I mean, dude.
Well, it's just not the day, it's what it does over your lifetime. I mean, you see guys beat up because of that extra weight, all that other stuff, you know. Like Daniel's saying, I absolutely love, I wish more companies did this. On something like a hammer drill, I want a 5-6 amp hour, whatever it is, a bigger battery on that. On the impact, no, I don't need something like that. Give me a 2 or a 3 and I'll be fine. I would take the weight on that one.
Wait till you get older, you're going to understand what we're doing. Yesterday we were out filming, dude. We're using drones. Obviously, I crashed it. I always crash that drone. Every time I fly that drone, I crash it. So I'm just getting rid of it. No more drone shots.
Maybe it's actually Bodie, because every time we've been filming Bodie is when it's been crashed. That's when he cut down the tree in the back. I had what was a 130-foot pine tree that he cut down, and that's when he hit the power line.
I hit the power line, and then yesterday I was going to land it on the grass was high, so I wanted to land on the picnic table, and I was coming down, and it started veering off to the picnic table, but it was still in landing mode. I'm like, oh, so I gave it a little bit of up, a little bit of lift, and it flew up into the trees. Whatever, dude. Drones suck. Have you seen that there's a rebar tying drone now?
A what?
A rebar tying drone.
Oh.
It flies above rebar and ties the rebar.
No, I haven't seen that. Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. You guys, comment below. Let us know what you guys think. Let's get the conversation going. We're just 2 dudes in the garage. We love you guys. You guys are great. Thank you for supporting Lowe's and Lowe's Pro and Southwire. Check them out. And you guys have a great day. We never say
have
that.
a great day.
We never say
Seriously,
that. Have a great day.
Take care.
Have a great day on us.
Life
Buy yourself
is short.
lunch.
Enjoy.
Buy yourself lunch and just say, hey, dude, this Tools and Action's got this covered. Just have them send us a bill. We got it. Peace.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.